was your for so for shame machine Jumadian and to so Minister of Education. A Munyam for Haruna Idrusu. Na one principals of colleges of education. Prinkoff ono omo kodi eye ahyiamu kwadwendwene enwumasua dwumadi ne totoye enso eho na wonkunyasie mu no na nsembisa bi baaye se sisi a omo teacher training colleges ne mu no omo wanu hyedie bi a abandada ne baaye na wode ma wo which is teacher training allowance na abafufra wabai anamontuo be na wotu ede afa ho na no na osoafo no dia no yie ba no wo kire mu se ono de ohun ni se teacher training allowance no ya ade bi e wose ye bibi ede fa ho esan se ntimi nkoba se aban eje ye adesuafo mo music ono no which is from KG to junior high level no or form hoka na wasanso abefa school to aso which is the SHS no so ho eka na won mo yesuapon mo no the tertiary no so no or form hoka form one aduane nyina kadea na chese on the hunu senka yade wase ye bibi fa ho. So for that matter no or suggest say adena yemfa enwumasua nsi achi ba bosia which is a year student loan scheme yemfa no mumu emma na yenyi enumhyedie no emfa enfiri hono statement a womaye wo eyenhyemudie no enso ase no but here be the case said the news carry across the country, especially on TV, on radio and social media no so no amanfo chiri mu say osoafo ne say omo ba betwa teacher training allowance no enso so emu enti the nkomodie bebre enso ene aba Ministry of Education so the press release the aba to clarify the opinion no and so osoafo no enso ekaye ewo Prinkoff Jumadi no ase na the kofa we nyina baaye no ye the obokrata ye la yan wisu ye no mo teacher training allowance to go sa no mo kire ye eno na am say amanfo anya nkyerase no eya enam so ama chese nkomodie ekoso na uti Haruna Idrusu a na wo chese before kranko say bia no hyede no mbetimi ayi afiri wono mo no enye sa abane de ni tumi na beye na mmom obehwese wonne wono mo ewoso no musinkunya eto adwene na oji omutiri mopo no mafutuo no no mbe ne sa na koba se wose yi firi wono ma then abane timi etu sa anamo no eti sama opanyin no ede tu da no ye said ye ye baby teacher training allowance in the phone money mu yai enti ama Ministry of Education so abechechiri sim but mbese utie the Haruna Idrusu ekaye then the press release no so no yema no so ahwe said ye no so ekoye My Ghana Media TV is your number one news subscribe here wow ema any news update bia no on set me can in terms so My Ghana Media.
More importantly, you raise the issue of student allowances. It will continue subsequent to the Education Forum, for which I have the pleasure to invite you to come. We'll take some major decisions based on the recommendations, but off-head, there is no way you should be feeding a student at the tertiary level off-head. So we have to work out a transition from the allowance into an enhanced student loan for them to feed themselves. But in the interim, they will still get the allowances. Then just the next very few months going forward, subject to the recommendations of the committee. But I cannot conceive of a student in a higher education institution being fed. We can narrow feeding to basic and to free senior high school, but at the tertiary level, so they will still get enhanced student loans to be able to feed themselves. But in the interim, we will continue with the feeding and then phase out the allowance process subject to the recommendations of the Education Forum. So we would do that.